Go get it. It's in the racetrack. I think a quarter brand would be better than this because it's less clearance than the factory. You want to drop it down? Yes, much better.
Definitely makes life easier.
Oh yeah. The boot. Damn it! Jim.
Hey, at least I remembered before we got everything back.
I think we're going to take the front guy off.
No, I mean, you don't have to pull it out. Just pull that bolt back out.
Bullshit. That bolt just took us 15 minutes to put in. Man. We need the top one too, don't we?
Well, the top one you can do now. This is what I forgot.
Oh, I just about got the damn thing tight. What do you do?
Good practice.
Yeah, I got to practice for you.
Just edit that out.
No, this is going up raw and uncut. In all of its Hurst glory. I mean, after all, who does everything perfectly?
Next, you want to put the rubber boot on. Alright, then you want to put this shaft on here with the bolt. See how easy that comes on.
Yeah, uh-huh. Okay, so it looks to me like the best way to get that bolt in, if you don't do it on your bench. Hold on. First things first. Let me get this guy tightened up. All right. It's tight. Where does it? Oh, that's a tight fit. Shut up.
No. Steel plate.
Steel plate. Oh, I have that over here.
Now, what you're probably gonna have to do is we already adjusted this out.
Right. I'm going to have to check to see if it's going to line up then, right?
Is that a motion light that kicks on?
Yeah. Very annoying motion light, I might add, because it's not directly connected to the garage door.
Let's see what you're talking about.
So we're off by...
Yeah, just lift that light up.
Okay. Back him out some.
Just loosely put this nut on.
Okay, loosely.
Go ahead and tighten up the other six.
Don't touch them, please. I will put them on. Just in case they might fall through those fat fingers of yours and get lost somewhere. Speaking of lost, where are the other two?
I didn't want to touch them. Torque these to 150.
Okay.
I'll do that one.
One of the places they didn't put grease. This would have been one of them that would have helped. What size is he? 13.
Sitting on it.
Side to side one, 2 minutes? Looks to me like it should be.